G'day, it's Ben Walker here from High Performance Accountants. Now, I want to share a bit of a mistake I see happening with a lot of accounting firm owners. Now, one solution that comes to mind for accounting firm owners to solve a profitability issue is to spend money engaging like SEO or marketing consultants to help drive more traffic to the website. The idea there being convert them to clients and then making more dollars. But the more and more accounting firm owners I talk to are so busy doing the doing and running the business, and that's even too much for what an ideal week should look like. So from my perspective, there's a few things that need to be sorted before we go and engage marketing consultants. In fact, you may not even need to ever do that, but in any case, there's a lot of things to do before we go and do that. Now, the thought process is, step one, let's sort out your calendar, give you some time back in your week, create some space to actually be able to work on the business. Now, what we want to do there is a couple more things, again, still before we go and engage that marketing consultant. Now, one of the big ones is pricing. And I know that you're the first thing that might think, hang on, I've just increased my prices 6 months ago or a year ago or whatever it is. Now, what I want you to do is make sure you've increased your prices ahead of CPI when you look over the last 4 years. And what I mean by that is the compounding effect of CPI, because CPI has been incredibly rude to us. $1 back in 2019, what's that worth in 2024? Go and work that out and then work out, have your prices inflated above that, or at least in line with that CPI. Now, the other thing we want to make sure is you've got some sort of packaging or the way that you go about selling your services so that when you do get more leads through the door, you can sell them onto a package or a product that makes sense for your accounting firm. Now, some of us are still on hourly rates, some of us are doing fixed prices, some of us are doing monthly recurring revenue. Obviously, my recommendation is monthly recurring revenue. And again, what we want to be doing is creating the product before we go and find those new clients. In fact, I think the marketing consultant idea is an idea that works compared to asking our great clients for referrals. So do keep that in mind, that I would absolutely be looking at that before engaging a marketing consultant. My perspective as well, but again, before we go external and paid ads and all that sort of stuff, is to market to our existing clients. Once we've got our diary a bit better, we're working on our business, we've done our product development, we've got our pricing right, then we want to go and have a look at nailing our marketing to our existing clients, but also having a really great sales process to take them through. Now, a lot of us think sales might be just meeting with a client, giving a quote. Please, it is not a sales process. A sales process is taking the client through a journey, making sure that they can see the value of working with us, and even ideally getting paid for that sales process that we take them through. So again, once we've got all of those things in place, and I'm just mentioning these high-level things, please, not every single thing I'd recommend in place before we go and engage a marketing consultant. We've marketed to our existing clients, we've built an email list. Then maybe if you've got the capacity, you're pricing really well. In fact, I'd want you to be feeling like you're getting some no's back from clients due to price, the occasional one, not every single one, of course. You might feel like you're priced really high. That's a good thing. And then we go and engage a marketing consultant to fill the bucket up. We're taking them through a great sales process that converts well and it pays well. And we're going into a product or monthly recurring revenue subscription that is great for the client, but also great for us as an accounting firm to build a business with a monthly recurring revenue coming in. I know that's a lot of information in a short amount of time, but please consider before you engage a marketing consultant, there's a lot of other things that I'd recommend in place before that happens. All right. Thank you.